What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan Blue Goku. Okay, so today we are going to draw Super Saiyan Blue Goku from Dragon Ball Super. As you guys can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. And today we are going to use color pencils to color this piece. But first, we're going to start by drawing the shape of Goku's face. This is going to be a 3/4 pose. Next, we're going to mark the center of Goku's face by using this guideline. And then we're going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following up with the eyebrow. And then to create the eye, we'll use 3 lines, 2 diagonals, and the curve underneath. We'll add the cheek marks right below. And then we're going to draw the right eye. This eye will be bigger than the left because of the angle. It's gonna be about twice the size of the left eye. Next, we're going to draw the nose by using 5 lines, following these next steps. And then, with a very tiny gap from the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. We'll do that by using 3 lines and some wrinkles, indicate the bottom lip of course. Next, we'll draw 2 lines to indicate the bumps above the eyes. And of course, we'll add the irises.
Your friends, they don't really care about our gems.
Awesome, next we're going to draw the hairline, following up with the sideburn and the ear. So as you guys can see, first I'm starting with the shape of the ear, and then we are going to add the details inside by using some curves. Awesome, next we're going to draw Goku's neck and his neck muscles. We'll add his Adam's apple. Draw his trap muscles. And then we're going to mark the center of his torso. This will help us draw the chest later on. Next we're going to draw the color of his gi. We'll add some creases right there.
All they care about is the earth.
And as you guys can see, I'm adding the chest muscles, again by using some nice curves. Awesome, so we'll get rid of all the guidelines, and then we'll move on to draw the hair. So first, just like always, I'm starting by drawing a rough shape of the hair, and only then we're going to add all the spikes of hair. So we'll start by drawing the spikes of hair from the front. And then we're going to draw the rest of the spikes by drawing 2 to 5, sometimes even 6 lines. and we'll add 2 more spikes right there. As you guys can see, in the Super Saiyan Blue form, one of Goku's spikes go up. That's basically the main difference. Awesome, and to add some detail to the hair, we'll add some lines with the direction of the spike. Just some random lines. And I forgot to add one more spike right there. Awesome, so now we are going to grab the black color pencil, or you can use a black color pen as well. I would actually recommend on using a black pen, just because we won't smear the black color pencil once we use the color pencils. But as you guys can see, I'm using a black color pencil. I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip, that way I can have more control, and by rotating the page I'm going all over the lines using my natural hand movement, and you can do that by either pushing lines or by pulling lines. Bless me. And this is what we want to get. So next we are going to use some color pencils. We are going to start by coloring the skin tones. For that we are going to use 3 tones. We'll start with the darkest tone, that's gonna be a dark color of brown, and for this drawing I want the main light source to come from the left side, which means that the right side will appear darker because it gets less light. Next we're going to color the mid-tone, and as you guys can see I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip, that way I can apply more pressure and therefore I will get more lead on the paper, so we can get a very solid look and not see all those tiny white areas of the paper. Awesome, once we are done with that, all that's left is to color the brightest tone on the remaining blank areas. Awesome, so as you guys can see we did a solid coloring, I mean we didn't do any blending, and this is the result we want to get for the hair as well. But before we get to the hair, we're going to color the gi by using a dark blue color pencil. And now we can move on to the hair. So just like before, we are going to start by coloring the most shaded areas of the hair, aka the darkest tone. And of course make sure to shade or color in the direction of the shape. Once we are done with that, I'm gonna mark all the mid-tones, and just like before we are going to color them with the direction of the shape. We are going to do the same process for the brightest tone. Awesome, and now we are going to color the eyes. We'll create a nice gradient, leaving a blank area at the top left of the iris. That way we'll get a nice highlight. Awesome, and all we have to do now is take a white color pencil, add in some highlights to the spikes, just like that. And you know what, I'm gonna add some more blues right there. And we'll continue with the highlights. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Super Saiyan Blue Goku. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. And if you want me to do more colored tutorials, make sure to like this video, comment and share it with your friends. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.